guys, Sandra here from Createinspain. Glad you could join me today. I wanted to have a quick word with you about watercolour brush pens, and I got some yesterday. I did some colour swatches and I love them. I think they're great fun. These are from Createinspain and I love them. I got a set of 50 colours with 2 water brushes. That's the water brush that it comes with. It comes with 2 of those, and I'm having great fun with them. I did some colour swatches yesterday, and if I put this out of the way, this was the result of my colour swatches. Okay, brilliant, absolutely wonderful. I found them easy to blend, wonderful. You might be thinking, well, why are you repeating yesterday's video? Aha, there's a reason for this. If you're suffering with your watercolour brush pens, there may be a reason, and it may be not the pens, no matter what make they are. I don't care whether you've got Arteza, whether you've got Createinspain, whether you've got Zig, whatever. Doesn't make any difference. There are differences in watercolour. This came from a pad that I've had for years. It is a Daler Rowney 300 gram aquafine watercolour in a jumbo pack, 50 sheets on this. And it's great watercolour paper, but it is quite textured. Okay. Now I decided to have a little experiment, and I purchased today a relatively cheap and cheerful watercolour pad from the local Chinese shop. And this has got 24 sheets. It was €2.75, so pretty cheap. And it's a completely different colour. You can see that's a creamy white and this is a blue white. But that's not the reason I'm showing you this. The reason I'm showing you this is to make my point that it matters what paper you're using. So these swatches were done with 5 strokes of each pen, up, down, up. I did them exactly the same on this piece of paper. I used a brush pen to put water on them afterwards, exactly as I did with the other one. Now you'd have to be blind as a bat to not see the difference. Appalling, brilliant. Appalling, brilliant. And literally the only difference was the paper. You can't blend on this paper. The colours don't come out as well on this paper. It's absolutely useless. If you're having difficulty with your watercolour brush pens, don't throw the brush pens out of the window. Throw the paper pad out of the window instead, because it's far more likely to be that than it is the pens themselves. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye-bye.